Hello friends and welcome back to the Recligen channel. So friends, today I will talk about GameMax Infinity Pro chassis with dual chamber and panoramic view. So friend, GameMax has announced a new Infinity Pro gaming chassis, and the chassis feature a dual chamber layout with panoramic tempered glass design, and the GameMax Infinity Pro is perfect for showcasing the beauty of internal components in ARGB illumination with tempered glass panel on front, side and top of the case. And the Infinity series equipped with 120 mm PWM ARGB fans and ARGB controller hub, providing sufficient cooling for high-end gaming configuration right out the box. And additionally, the fan and the ARGB controller hub include 81 built-in lighting effect and support motherboard RGB sync technology when connected to the motherboard's RGB header. And the chassis also support back connector motherboards such as Asus BTF motherboard, Gigabyte Steel motherboard, and MSI Project Zero motherboard. For cooling, the chassis support up to 360 mm radiator for liquid cooling, and the chassis support a maximum 8 into 120 mm fans. And the GameMax Infinity Pro gaming chassis available in black and white color option. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.